What is the best soundbar that you should get for your parents? There are tons of options out there. But don't forget that it needs to be easy to use and also needs to sound great. The cardinal rule is it needs to work with their TV remote control. That way you don't get a phone call in the middle of the day or the middle of the night when their TV is not working. Keep it simple, make it idiot-proof. Connect their TV to their soundbar using HDMI ARC connections. Most TVs and soundbars have them. By using these connections, the TV powers on and off the soundbar and controls the volume without having an additional remote for your parents to lose. Today, we will look at the Bose TV speaker connected to a Samsung 43-inch HD TV. The Bose TV speaker gives you the classic Bose sound and comes in an attractive, compact design that will complement any decor. The speaker is only 23.4 inches wide, 2.2 inches tall, and 4 inches deep. It only weighs 4.3 pounds. On the rear of the Bose, you will find connections for HDMI ARC, optical in, aux in, service, base, and a connector for the power cord. The Samsung TV has wireless and wired network connections. It also has digital audio, HDMI in, HDMI ARC, and coax for antenna or cable. Connect the TV to the Bose TV speaker using the HDMI ARC connections. The HDMI cable is not included. Using the TV remote control, power on the TV. The Samsung automatically detects the Bose TV speaker and powers it on. Now you have one remote control that works for your TV and controls the soundbar. Thank you for visiting Trez's Tech. Please like and subscribe. I'll be adding new videos to help you make informed decisions on how to introduce technology to seniors that is easy to use and trouble-free.